Hi, it's Ellen from Cambridge Immigration Law. Here is a recent update to getting a visa at a consulate or an embassy. So, for the past few years, lots of people have been able to renew visas at embassies without actually having an appointment or an interview. They've been able to drop off documents and get their visas approved without appearing in person. This has been great for people who are tourists, who are students, who needed to travel back to their home countries for a short period of time, get their visas renewed. Same thing for H-1B folks who need to travel back to their countries to get their H-1Bs renewed. It's been a great way for people to deal with getting their visas renewed, but with less wait or an uncertainty as to if they'd have the ability to get an interview when they needed it. So Trump has eliminated the visa interview waiver, meaning most people now who are applying for non-immigrant visas at embassies or consulates need to go to an in-person interview. The two big categories that are still allowed to have interview waivers or basically not have interviews are diplomatic categories and also certain people applying for tourist visas, either or B visas, either tourist or business visas. For that second category of the tourist and the business B visas, they need to have a full validity visa and they need to be applying in their country of residence. They need to have never been refused a visa unless that actual refusal was overcome. And they need to have no issues that would make them ineligible. So this still can help a lot of people, but taking away the interview waivers for students causes a lot of stress for students who come home for a short period of time. And it certainly causes a lot of stress for H-1B folks who need to travel quickly to be able to continue their work. This is another attempt by the Trump administration to make things harder for non-citizens to come to the United States and feel comfortable living in the United States, even lawfully. This is a way that makes our government function less efficiently. We do not need to interview every single person, and having interviews for every single applicant causes a lot of waste for our country. It also is going to make people less likely to come to the United States and spend money here. So overall, I think this is a bad plan by a bad president, but it's the current law, so we do need to deal with it. If you have any questions, contact us here at Cambridge Immigration Law.